Hey, it's Dave. I had a great question this week. They asked, what is the best rep range when you're trying to get leaner? I'm going to give you two answers. The first answer is whatever rep range you're currently not doing. You need to change it up. But the other answer I would tell you, and I think this is probably a little bit of a better answer, is train heavy. You need to train heavy when you're trying to get leaner. The reason is when you're operating in a caloric deficit, you are more apt to lose valuable muscle mass. Therefore, you need to be training at a rep range that is going to help you retain the muscle mass that you currently have. So even if that's 6, 7, 8, 10 rep range, that'd be fantastic. Great starting point. Train heavy to retain the muscle mass that you have. Like, share, and I'm going to give you part 2 to this one. Part 2 to the question of what rep range should I train at for trying to get leaner. The one thing I was talking about was when you're trying to get leaner, you need to train heavy in order to preserve the muscle that you currently have. Whenever you're operating in a caloric deficit, you are definitely more apt to lose that valuable muscle. Really important to retain that. And again, that was why I was saying we need to train heavy. But keep in mind, when you're operating in a caloric deficit, your strength is going to go down. Be careful. I find that my strength really goes down in pushing movements like bench press. I tend to not lose as much strength in things like deadlifts and squats, but again, more so in pushing movements, pressing movements. Be careful when you're training heavy to retain that muscle mass when you're operating in that caloric deficit. I hope that helps. Keep the question coming. Please like, follow, and share. You guys have a great day. I'll see you. Part 3 of what is the best rep range in order to get leaner. Really one of the biggest problems and mistakes that I see people make when they're trying to get leaner is to go into these extremely high, or may I even say like absurdly high rep ranges of 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 reps. What you just did there is you turned your weight training into cardio. And when you're doing an excessive amount of cardio, then your body pares down. Your body's adaptation to that is, hey, I want to reduce muscle to be lighter to make it easier to get through this workout. So now you start to lose that valuable muscle. Really a problem. Keep in mind, to get the best results, we need to get the right training and the right nutrition and the right cardio and get all of these things to work together within your lifestyle. Please like, follow, share. If you want more information, need help, drop me a note. See ya.